I'm Nafi Mahbub and this is my second tutorial and my first AutoCAD tutorial. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to draw yourself on AutoCAD. So let's get started. Step 1. Page setup includes dimension style, unit setup, and limit setup. First, set the dimension setup by pressing D, then enter on your keyboard. Then this box is gonna appear. You'll see a lot of options in the box. But then what you do, you click modify. Then you see a lot of options here as well. In lines, put baseline spacing to 6 while the by blocks will stay by blocks. Alright, now we go to symbols and arrows. Here you just put the arrow size to 6. Alright, let's do it. There you go. You don't need any more changes, so in text, keep the text height to 6 and keep it aligned with the dimension line. And now where's the text height? Let's look for the text height, shall we? Where is it? Oh yeah, here's the text height. Yeah, now you do it to 6. Aligned with the dimension line is where we're gonna wanna click. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. Alright. I think it's time to go to the next option, which is fit. Alright. We're gonna go to fit. In fit, positioning should be the text and arrows best fit, and text placements beside. And in primary units, set the unit format to engineering. Alright, and then your precision should be 0 fit 0 inch. And alternate units, nah, you don't need to change much if the unit format's decimal and the precision is 0.00. Click OK. Alright, now you click set current and then press close. Good job, your dimension setup is done. Now unit setup time. For what you need to press U and then enter on keyboard. Then this box will appear. Set the length type to engineering and length precision to engineering. Yeah, engineering. And now length precision should be 0 fit 0 inch. Alright, you don't really need to change the angles, I guess. You don't need to change angles. Wait, you need to skip. Yeah, keep it international, that thing, and press OK. And now time for the limits setup. Type limits on keyboard, then enter. Alright, now press 0, enter, then again press 0, then press enter again. Alright, now type 200, then press enter, and type 500 and press enter again. Press Z, then enter, then A, then enter, and your page is set up. However, we need to confirm if our page is already set up. In order to do that, we need to draw a line by pressing the line button over there and type the feet of the line as we like, and we click and drag, and alright, so I'm gonna do it 20 feet. Alright, to make sure it's 20 feet, we're gonna have to click the dimension in the home above, click on the line and drag it either up or down. I'm dragging it upward. Dimension says 20 feet. Yeah, as we zoom in, that means our page setup is accomplished. Step 2. Insert your picture on the AutoCAD page, which you set up. Click the picture you want and drag it towards the minimized AutoCAD page, and then click and drag around to enlarge it and click, then your picture appears. Alright, now click polyline on home above and zoom it to the corner to start clicking and dragging the polyline to a border of your object or the picture, which for example is you. And while you do it, make sure that it's between the intervals of dragging that you click, so that huge polylines don't mess things up. And in case if you have problem seeing where you're doing the borders right or not, or you're crossing the line, you can zoom in and see. And if you wanna do it to the upper parts, you can just click on the scroll button of your mouse and then drag it upwards and continue. Alright, I'm trying to cover the details such as the ears as well and the jaws. Yeah, be sure to be careful because you might mess it up. I'm gonna search for another corner to start again. Yeah, another border, but don't worry, I'll fix it if I mess up. Oh no, we gotta fix it. Yeah, I finally managed to draw it along the border instead of crossing it. Now we're gonna have to do it carefully so it doesn't mess up again, or if it messes up, we're gonna have to fix it. Oh no, it's a little bit messed up. Yeah, now it's fixed. Now it's in the border. We're kinda, I think, half done with it. Now it's time for this part. I think we kinda crossed, we're kinda out of border while drawing this. So we're gonna put it in border, yeah, like we did it now. And now we keep drawing again according to the borders by clicking the polyline and dragging it upwards, then clicking it and dragging it upwards. But yeah, if you mess up with your polyline, you can just press ESC, escape, and click polyline again from the home, and then you continue. Alright, doing it this part carefully. Alright, time for the colors and the buttons. So yeah, it's the button place and the colors we're covering up. Alright, color, carefully. Yes. Alright, time for this portion of the color. You gotta be careful for this. Polyline, click polyline again after escape. And now we are doing it. We got a needless line which crossed the border, and we're gonna press TR double enter to trim that little part by clicking it afterwards. Yeah, now it's trimmed. Now time for that part. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. We crossed the border again by needless, right? So TR double enter, then click on that unnecessary part to erase it, and it's erased. Alright, and now we gotta draw the shirt buttons. And in order to draw the shirt buttons, we press C, then enter on the keyboard, and we click and drag around the shirt button borders to draw a circle, because it's the circle command. It's easier to do that than polyline. Even though there's no button over there, I'm just putting a random button anyway. The outer part is complete. Now it's time for the interior part to draw, such as the glasses, the lips, the eyes, the nose. I'm starting with the lip through polyline. I think it's a little too much, that's why it's a little fixing needed in the lips. Now it's the time for the nose. Oh yeah. Now it's time for the glasses. Now in order to draw eyeballs, we do the circle command and enter again, like we did for the shirt buttons. Alright, in order to add hair color, since there is already a border we've drawn on the hair part, we do the hatch command by H enter, and then we color it by using a solid color from upwards, like pressing fill and then enter and stuff. In order to see the drawing, we click on the picture's border and then we press E, then enter to erase it, and we're done. If you follow these lessons, you'll do something like this too. Good luck.